Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MARK. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Now, I don't mean to state the obvious or anything, but pretty rough day here. However, from a technical perspective, it's definitely created a very interesting setup here. And, going into next week, worth keeping an eye on. Remember, the markets are closed on Friday. But just as kind of a quick recap here, price obviously got beat down quite a bit. And then after that first beat down during the initial, 30 minutes, which was this candle right here, you can see that that's where the bleeding finally stopped right down here at, what is that? Right around $5.50. So, the rest of the day starts to take place. And then later on in the day, there's another rollover. And then surprise, surprise, look right where this nice green candle essentially formed right here around $5.50. So in the world of charts, we would call that a hammer candle, doji candle, probably more so a hammer. But point being, this green candle has formed at support, and then you factor in that there is big volume when this candle formed, and this is a very interesting setup. Now, I really wish that trading was this easy, and I could say that because all these dynamics have happened, that this is for sure going to bounce and be up at $7.50 next week. No such thing as a guarantee in the market. Myself nor anyone else can sit here and say that. Now, would it be shocking to see a bounce? No, that would not be shocking at all. But again, nobody can sit here and guarantee any sort of bounce for sure in the upwards direction. Now, in the event though it does start to bounce, I want to map out some potential areas of resistance that the bulls would have to fight through. Initial level of resistance to keep an eye on, going to be that former area of support from earlier in the day, and that's right up there at $6 even. So $6, that first key hurdle. If the price can push through there, then the next key level to keep an eye on, right up there around $6.40. And also definitely keep an eye. This is a little irrelevant right now, but you never know. Keep an eye on that purple line right there, the 50-period simple moving average. If you go through the history of the chart, you can see this one's really been a thorn in the side of the price as it's rejected the price several times. But one step at a time. First got to get through these levels of resistance. But anyway, you look at this, interesting setup next week, so we'll see what happens with it and see if the bulls can put together some sort of bounce or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.